Tirita rĩa mbere bũrũri wa Kenya ukoretwo na nduma kumana na kuura gwa thitima gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, kuona gwa kahinda ka mĩeri ĩna nduma nĩyonekete maita matatũ, na rĩu thĩna ũyũ wa kuura gwa thitima nĩ ũrarũgamirie mĩhang'o ĩtiganĩte mũthenya wa ira. Mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa mararũgamirio harĩ ũthii thĩinĩ wa kĩwanja kĩa ndege kĩa JKIA.
I experienced firsthand the anger because I was at the airport when the belt stopped and therefore we could not get our luggages. The generator did not take off immediately, and it's a challenge that as a country we are really ashamed of and we need to address it.
Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro, Minista wa hinya wa thìi Chirchir augite ati kuura gwa thitima gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũthenya wa ira kuracũngĩrĩirio nĩ waya cia thitima kũnyitana mwena wa Kisumu mohoro-inĩ ũndũ ũratũmire thitima ciũre.
There is so much constraint in the transmission of electrons from wherever they are generated, and sometimes the network drips when it is overloaded. Yesterday was caused by an overload between Kisumu, Moroni, when there was sudden demand, and the line that between Kisumu and Moroni is dimensioned to carry 80 megawatts. When the line went down, it was carrying 120 megawatts, and suddenly there was a demand of an additional 20 megawatts on that line. For a line to be carrying 149 megawatts when it is designed for 80, it felt threatened and it dripped and cascaded down to the rest of the country.
Nĩguo kũnina thĩna ũyũ wa thitima gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, bũrũri wa Kenya ũrabatara kĩgĩna kĩa ndora birioni 5.6. Ũũ nĩ kũringana na Ministry ya hinya wa thĩi. Aigithia mangĩtĩkĩra kũigithia sekta-ini ĩno, thĩna ũyũ no ũkorwo ũkĩninwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Entire master plan of the nation, which we plan to do, we require $5.3 billion to complete the entire master plan. What do we have this year? We have about $250 million, in which we are going to implement the Narok-Bomet link to complete now what we call Olkaria, Narok, Bomet to Sotik all the way. Then we are also going to do Rumuruti, Kabarnet to Rumuruti, and then we are also going to do Marindi, Weru, Kilifi.
Yes, maintenance, but the gist of it is lack of investment in the network for a long time. And when I go through my statement, you'll appreciate that the fact that we've continued to connect customers on the last mile, we've continued to build industry, and we've not built the network in the last 5, 6, 7 years.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Chirchir augite ati ministry yake nĩ gathĩkĩte mĩtaratara ĩtiganĩte nĩguo kũhũrana na kuura gwa thitima gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kaimana.
Work on quick fixes, which will include, like I said, putting a new bay, a new transformer in the source, looking at how do we quickly have a solution between Moroni, Chemosit to deload that link and have a quick solution that goes from Moroni to Nduma.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.
Good afternoon, everyone. We have called you for this press conference so that we can brief the nation on what has been happening and what has caused